Good afternoon. It's Vincent Randazzo from Nasdaq's Market Intelligence Desk. Just want to give you a quick update on markets. Trading about flat right now. Tomorrow, everyone's waiting for the Fed FOMC minutes, so we can dissect every single word and syllable of that release, and the market's going to react how it's going to react at that point. But I think until then, there doesn't seem to be enough momentum to carry us through 2100 on the S&P for right now. Market clearly needs to just wait right for the minute. As far as sectors in focus today, we're seeing strength in healthcare, financials, and semiconductors. So kind of an odd mix, but I think what we've been seeing recently has been a return to like a more normal feeling of markets that good news is really good news. So you've seen that with the backup in rates. So if you look at the 10-year over the course of the last couple of weeks, since the end of last month, you've moved up in yield on the 10-year by over 25%. At the same time, the S&P's gained 5%. So you have a more normalized relationship with interest rates as it relates to stock markets. And I think that part of that is asset allocation. You have money moving out of fixed income markets into equity markets. And I think good news, again, good news is good news. So I think it'll be important to see how we react to the Fed minutes tomorrow. And I think that you're going to want to watch in terms of levels on the S&P and on the Nasdaq. What I have up here is the chart of the Nasdaq. I'm using it as a proxy rather than the S&P because I feel like, it's been evidenced to be the stronger of the indices in terms of relative strength. So I wanted to show, basically we had this big congestion range, which is about 262 points in width. We've been trading in that range since the end of November, and we've finally broken out as of last week. What I'd really like to see is another weekly close above that level of the breakout, which is 48.10 on the Nasdaq. So if we do get that close above 48.10 this week, it will set up a move over time to 50.72, which is just above our all-time highs on the Nasdaq about 15 years ago of 50.48. So that's what we're looking for this week. We really, again, want to see what happens in the next couple days, how the news comes in terms of the digestion of the Fed minutes, and of course, earnings, the remainder of earnings season, which has generally been good, but we'll finish up earnings season, see how the market digests the guidance, and go from there.